We've been having some problems with our hot water. It doesn't strike or ignite. We've got the Camec Instant Gas 12 volt and just lately it just won't fire up. And we've pulled it apart and it was throwing an E9 error. So we replaced the pressure sensor, which is apparently what it has to do. And then that didn't work. So now we're down to replacing the whole hot water system. Tom jumped on Facebook Marketplace, found a new one in a box for about 30% less than retail. So here we are installing new hot water.
You're making a mess in my bus there, Thomas. You're huffing like the dog will be. So here you can see this is where our old hot water system was, and we're replacing it with the exact same unit. But Tom is upgrading the power to it. What are you doing with the power?
Running it from the battery?
Running it directly from the battery as 24 volt.
No,
No.
because it's a 12 volt system.
Well, that's what I thought, but then you said you were running it as 24 volt earlier.
No, I did.
Yes, you
Do you
did.
not listen?
I do listen.
I said I'm running it from the battery, but I'm just going to hook it up to one battery.
Okay. So we're running new wires directly from the battery to the new hot water system at the moment.
And this is how we know Tom's working on the bus.
That's not my mess, that's your mess.
That is your mess.
No, it's not. That's not mine.
This is your mess.
I haven't done any of that. So it's something that's not you, but it is you.
Okie dokie. He's just grumpy because he's doing electrics, which that's his most favourite thing in the world. And this is the hole in the side of the bus where the old system came out of, and then we put the new system in. What are you doing now, Tom?
It's all mine. What's it look like?
Oh. And jump forward 2 hours, 2 beers and 1 minor domestic, and the new hot water system is in and the old one is out. And now, lucky me, I get to go inside and do the dishes. Yay!